What is up, guys? Basic Programming here with another video, and today I think I'm going to change the series from a lesson type thing to just showing you guys commands that would be useful in your script. So going on with the making your own command, as you can see we have a help right here, and then if we scroll down I'm going to show you something that when you're at school, if the command prompt is blocked, which most of the time it is, I'm going to show you how to unblock it, and it's very simple. All you gotta do is take this and ignore this. When I was making this, there was like I tried go to A, and then I already had something called A, and I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna put whatever comes to my head, and apparently that came to my head first. So I typed that. So this could be anything. So set p the equals, and the could be anything else as well. That doesn't have to be. It could be moon or I don't know, iPhone. I don't care. Equals quotes. This one has to have quotes. Um, Parentheses, percent sign, and then CD. You would think it would say CDM or something along those lines or like CMD, sorry, for command prompt, but whatever. And then close it off with a percent sign and a alligator mouth thing. Then you want to say the or whatever you named this in present signs, and then go to A, and what that will just keep the file open. So that's how you do that. And if we test it out here, maybe. Oh my god, I gotta move down even more. Okay, I'm gonna guess this one. So if we type in open CMD, that happens. Yeah. Um, and here's another thing you guys to look for. And this is a big problem that happens to a lot of people, not just me. If you don't close things off the right way, it's not gonna work the way you want it to. So let's go to OpenCMD, go to now it's closed off, but what it's opening is Google Chrome. And I have a code that does that, and I don't know why it's opening it. Let's try this again. Maybe it's because mine's not blocked, so it has nothing to go to. Yeah, mine isn't blocked on here since this is my computer, so it's only gonna open it if it's blocked, because it's trying to look for the blocked thing and take it away, and there's nothing to really take away. But I don't know why it's opening Google to do that. So, but that is how it does it. I promise you it works. Go to school and try it. You won't get in that much trouble. In fact, I didn't get in trouble yet. I guarantee I will. But do this at your own risk. And so more things are colors. So if we go down here, you can see we have all these colors. Now this is just one. Now what this does is it changes the color to pink, and then it takes you back to the start. So if I type pink, everything turns pink. If I type in green, if I type in, I think light green's one. No, it's not. I don't know what I call that. Lime green. So if I type in lime green, you see it turns lime green. And then you can make it for any color. I'm sure it's not, okay, I shouldn't have said that, because you can't make it any color. Unlike HTML or something, there's not a color table. You have these numbers. And there's some letters too. So if you want to look at this, I will scroll down very slowly. Here's pink. It's 0D. Purple is 05. And you guys can read, I hope, the rest. Okay. Now, Another thing you can do with Batch is you can, I wouldn't say, like, you can do a lot of things to prank your friends, or maybe, like, you want to look cool in school, and, say you downloaded a virus on your computer. And to do that, you just have to make everything seem real. So, like, here, crash warning before you proceed, you should know the following. Now, this one actually can crash your computer, but none of this is real. It won't actually do anything to your computer. But it is kind of a warning system before you crash it, and what this does is it does this. It starts a CMD, and the CMD is blocked, so it'll just come up, log into administrator, and it'll open like 1,000 of them in a minute. And your computer won't be able to click, or it'll just completely crash. So it won't do anything to your computer. All you gotta do is log off. And if you're thinking, well, if you can't click or something, you do Control-Alt-Delete and it'll log off, or you can just shut down your computer with the button. So crashing is possible. Real hacks are possible on this. I already showed you two. It was the crash and the CMD, but you can also do a lot of fake stuff. I'm mainly doing this for to make my own program. So as you can see here, I have an about, a start, a login. If like I'm a developer and I want to log in, you can see first I do a set password. If the password equals your password, whatever you want it to be, and then you make it the file name something that is so stupid that no one would even think to type it into the command prompt, that it'll just open that up. Because like, even though, here, let me show you an example if you don't know what I'm saying. So like, I have to go to log in, and then I had to put in my password, and then it'll crash, of course. But actually, lots of bugs with this. I don't even know why I did that right there. I didn't tell it to clear anything. Okay. Well, anyway, it will log you in. This is basically a building block. I'm not a professional with this, but hopefully this helps. So log in, you want to set password, and this part makes sense. But there is no else, so I didn't know what to do there. But if password equals whatever your password is, go to yada yada yada. And then I just put echo wrong, CLS, and then go to main star. I did that because apparently instead of typing else, echo wrong, else, it doesn't make any sense to the command. So you just have to do echo and then whatever you want if it's wrong. So as you can see here, this is what it goes to. And then I think that's it, guys. I did teach you some hacks and some other stuff like colors. Next time we will be learning how to make a calculator and understanding how that works. But that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.